Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Labs. We will look at VLOOKUP function in Excel. So here I have a set of data with 10 records. VLOOKUP is nothing but the vertical lookup. You can use this to search the detail in a data set. VLOOKUP is generally used in order to search any record in a huge set of data. Now I have 10 set of data and you would like to know the details of one individual person, right? So if I give the employee ID here, I need the name, joining date and salary. Okay, so that's when we can use the VLOOKUP function. So for example, now we have the employee ID. Let's find the name with the VLOOKUP function. You start with the equal to sign, press VLOOKUP. So in Excel, the beauty is that when you start typing the formula, it already appears here. All you have to do is press tab if you are in the correct formula. Now what is our lookup value? This will be our lookup value because we need to search that particular employee ID to find the name. Press comma. We have the table array here. We need to give the table array. So this will be our table array. You can just select employee ID and name or department, just two columns, or you can select the entire table. For easy understanding, I'm going to select the entire table. Now make sure you press the F4 key to make it absolutely referenced. So I will explain what is references in my next video. Press comma, column index number. This basically means that we need to give the Excel which column we are looking for. So we have that we need to find employee ID, but in which column we should search the data in. So this will be column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will look at the second column. So 2, comma, and two important matches, which is approximate match, which will be useful when you're dealing with decimals, and exact match when you're dealing with names. It's easy because if you're looking at approximate match, let's say you are using decimals, and the Excel tool will search for the approximate match for what you're looking, and if it is exact match, it will look exactly for what you're looking. So in our case, we need to find the name and it has to exactly match with the employee ID we are looking for. So that's why it's false. You can either give 1 for true or 0 for false and press enter. So looks like for E104 we have the search, which is David Brown, which matches exactly. Now let's do the same thing for the joining date. If you are here, that means you want to learn VLOOKUP. Let me show you a easy trick or a bonus tip at the end where you don't have to use VLOOKUP for every single cell and just do one formula and you get the entire details. Okay, so equal to sign again, VLOOKUP. Excel completes it for me. Press tab, VLOOKUP value, which is this one, comma, table array will be this one. Press F4 to make it absolutely referenced. Column index number is this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and comma. Again, we want the exact match. So false, which is 0. Close the bracket, enter. So looks like we have this with numbers, right? So one trick here is to select that column, come here and make it a short date. So that means we found our number. So here we got the exact match, right? Let's do the same thing for salary. Equal to sign, VLOOKUP, press tab. The lookup value is this one, comma, your table array will be this, make it absolutely referenced with F4, comma, column index number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to press 6, comma, 0, which is false for exact match, and we exactly get the salary for David Brown, which is matching, correct? So this is VLOOKUP formula or VLOOKUP function in Excel. So we can do the same thing here as well in another sheet. The formula will slightly change here because you will have to change your sheets here, right? So how we could do that is, let's say you give an employee ID E103, and now for the name equals to VLOOKUP, press tab, lookup value is this one, comma, your table array is here, right? Select your table array, right? As you can see, the formula bar will show the sheet value and then the column and row value. Press F4 to make it absolutely referenced, comma, column index number was 2 there, right? So this was 2, right? So you can give the number 2, comma, and 0, which is exact match. Press enter and you have Carol White. So the employee 103 is Carol White. Same with the joining date, equal to VLOOKUP, press tab, select the lookup value, comma, select the table array, this one, press F4 for making it absolutely referenced, comma, your column number will be the joining date, which is 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Press 5, comma, and 0 for exact match, and you have the joining date. Again, come here, select the format as short date, because the format will be changed to numbers or general. So for Excel to understand what you're giving there, you'll have to come here and select short date. Salary equal to sign VLOOKUP, press tab, lookup value, comma, table array is this one, comma, column number will be 6. I hope I don't have to tell you why. And there you go, 8,000. Carol White, 8,000. Joining date is 21/2020. 21/2020. So here you go, you have the VLOOKUP function. Thank you for watching this video till the end, because I had promised you that I will give you a bonus, right? So now I will show you an easy way to use VLOOKUP function where you have to use only once to get all the 3 values. Excited? Okay, so equal to sign VLOOKUP, press tab, lookup value will be this, comma, table array is this again, select the entire table for this one because you're finding the entire details and not just 1 or 2 values, right? Press F4 to make it absolutely referenced, press comma, column index number. Here is the trick that I'm going to show you. Use the flower bracket and give the column index numbers. For name it's 2, for joining date it's 5, and for salary it's 6, right? 2, comma, 5, comma, 6. Now close the flower bracket or curly bracket, press comma, so that will be your column index number, and you need to get the exact match, for which you will give 0. Okay, press enter and you have all the dates matched here. Pretty simple, right? So that is VLOOKUP function for you. So let me know if there are any doubts, questions. Comment in the video so I can know what you're looking for. Comment for any other topics that you're looking for and I can make a video for it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.